Yo, yo, good morning. Let's see. Question, is my mic sound okay? Because even when I mute it, for some reason the mic is still moving, which is really weird. So I don't know if it's connected to my normal mic. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, let me know. Or try unplugging it. It's so weird. My mic's muted, but you guys can hear me. What about now? Is that better? That's so sketch. What the heck? Good morning. Yeah, let me know if that's better. Hopefully. Sounds like I'm in a box. Why? That's sus. What? I don't know what's going on. That is better. Still underwater? Hold on 1 second. We got CPI data coming up, so just give me a second. I don't even know how to figure out if it's like actually using my mic or not. Yeah, but I don't want you guys to be like I don't want new people joining and being like, what is wrong with this dude's mic? Yeah, I don't know. That's so weird. When I mute it, it still picks up on my voice. Anyways, whatever. I don't know how to fix it. If anything, I'll just restart my computer. Says that it's using my mic. Whatever. Cool. Okay, so if you guys could make sure to click that like button, it would be greatly appreciated. Let's see. No, I believe I don't even know where the webcam wire is. I do have a webcam, but oh yeah, I think it is. Yep, if you guys hear me hitting it, it's going through my... What the heck? Hold on 1 second, let me fix this. All right, what about now? We better? I think we are, and there we go. I don't know why it connected to my webcam mic. That's whack, it's never done that before. Cool. Okay, so now that we got everything situated, let's find some setups. We got CPI in 10 minutes, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna find some possible setups. Good morning. And then CPI is either going to invalidate them or it's probably going to invalidate them. So we will waste our time trying to find setups anyway. But one thing, there's actually, I'm going to make a video on this later. There is a Bitcoin squeeze weekly time frame. Looks like it might fire down. So be a little cautious about that. I am looking for Apple puts for a possible swing. What's good, channel members? Greatly appreciate you guys. Yeah, let's start off at the top of the list, see what we like, what do we not like, and then we'll go from there. But if you guys could, make sure to click that like button, it would be greatly appreciated. We got 105 people in here and only 45 likes. So if you guys do want the watch list, Make sure to click that like button. Once we hit 150 likes, that is when I will drop it. I'm out of the box. Perfect. All right, let's see. AEP. Still waiting on that swing. That one's building momentum. Break above 101.74. I would like to see that. Set an alert. AMD holding that support very nicely. Ended up pushing to the upside. We can delete all these levels. If I were to be interested in AMD calls, it would be above 90.23. Take it to yesterday's high, or puts below 88.25. So let me pull up the Discord to myself. What's up, Chris? Let's see, where is car horns? There I am. AMD, possibly. Bristol Myers, still watching that swing. 1 hour squeeze, 4 hour squeeze, daily squeeze. Very, very interested in that, especially if we crack above 77.12. I'll look for those $80 calls. Possible swing. Contracts are dirt cheap. Chevron, I know oil's coming back up, maybe above yesterday's high. CVX. How'd everybody do yesterday though? You guys make money, lose money, take no trades. Facebook's still squeezing. Would like to see that 1 hour squeeze fire up. 200.5. Broke out that daily falling wedge, or not that daily, the 1 hour falling wedge. Looks like it's doing a little inverse head and shoulders. So as long as it doesn't go below 185, we should be good. But yeah, I do like the way Facebook looks. I love that squeeze. Riot, that's a name I haven't heard of in a minute. IBM, still waiting for that swing. LYB, waiting on that one. McDonald's, clippity clapped. You learned more yesterday, that's good. I like to hear that. Microsoft above yesterday's high, which is actually pre-market high. I'd be very interested in that. Actually looks like it's trying to form a 4 hour head and shoulders. But remember, we also have that weekly head and shoulders that it's trying to break below. Or technically it did, but got to get a weekly close below the neckline at 270. So I do like Microsoft, possible calls, market dumps. I'll look for puts. And remember, the put to call ratio is still really high. Like, there is a possibility that we will get a short squeeze. We just don't know when. So I'm going to be very cautious about that. I don't really like swinging puts, because if you do get short squeeze, it's gonna suck. But this Nvidia looks pretty interesting. See what happens there. Maybe crack above here for calls, crack below the trend line for puts. Schlumberger, don't think I'm getting my swing there. Tesla, 1 hour squeeze. Came right down to that weekly support yesterday at 775.69. So 818, take it to yesterday's high. Or below 808, take it to 800. And then 799. Cool. I like Tesla. We got 5 minutes till CPI. USO clapped. Exxon clapped. How do I get the blue bull? I think I'm pretty sure the blue bull is 3 months. You just got the red one. Yes, CPI 830. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. 135 people up in here and only 75 likes. 150 likes is when I will drop the watch list. Yeah, not really interested in Exxon. Alrighty. Look at Apple. What we got going on here? Four-hour squeeze, 1 hour squeeze. If it were to break down, I'd be interested. As far as calls, not really. So if anything, if the market pulls, I'll watch Apple to the downside. Boeing. Yeah, the Red Wing gives you, oh my god, the Red Bull gives you wings. Can't talk today. Boeing, not interested in. Baba, what's up with you? Not interested. They actually report earnings tomorrow morning. Coin destroyed. They must have reported really bad earnings. Watch coin both ways. Good morning. Let's see, coin. Okay, so before CPI data comes out, what do you guys think is going to happen today? Is the market going to pump or is it going to dump? Type it in the chat. Let me know what you think. From a technical level, I hope we pump, but let me know your guys' thoughts. Maybe if Costco were to break down, be interested in that. We looked at Facebook, we looked at Microsoft, we looked at Nvidia. It's your first CPI. You're about to pop your CPI cherry. Love it. PayPal, do we have liquidity in the 80 calls? Not really interested. So skip PayPal. SQ. Nice 1 hour squeeze on SQ. It did double bottom, actually triple bottom at this point, but it's holding that 82.72 as support. Crack above 86.15. I'd be interested in some calls. 90 calls have liquidity. Perfect. All right, 30 seconds until CPI, so let's see what we get. Let's get the futures up and let's hope that these setups do not invalidate. Let me pull up Twitter. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. Damn. Whoa. Wow. Holy. You guys seeing this? Sheesh. The numbers haven't even dropped yet. Dollars pumping. Whoever said dump. Good God. We got that on live stream too, baby. Let's see. Consumer prices plus 0.3%. Consensus plus 0.2%. X food and energy plus 0.6%. Consensus 0.4%. Consumer price index increased 8.3% from year earlier. Core CPI up 6.2%. Holy crap, the market's dumping. Wow. We just got this all on live stream. That is insane. Oh my. I still have my VIX leap, so hopefully that can hold. Let's see what the VIX futures are doing. Wow. The VIX hasn't even moved. That's ridiculous. Crazy. Alrighty. Well, it's gonna be a day. It is going to be a day. What are the actual numbers though? Hold on. CPI year over year 8.3%, prior 8.5%. US dollars going crazy. Wow. Alrighty. That's something. Good way to start the day. Set an alert just in case. Usually what happens is it'll go one way and then do the complete opposite, so we'll see. Looks like we're about to take a bunch of the stuff off of our list today. What did oil do? All right, we had a solid list, but yeah, Brian, that's typically what happens. Kind of just like FOMC. As soon as the news comes out, it goes one way and then it tends to go the opposite direction. But oh no, that was a huge dump. And pretty bad numbers. So, and remember, I've talked about this. The dollar, the US dollar, it's in a quarterly squeeze. That quarterly squeeze is firing. Roughly, we're going to get anywhere from 6 to 10 bars of momentum, meaning 6 to 10 quarters of continued strength to the upside on the dollar, which breaks down to around 1.5 to 2.5 years of continued strength up. Now, again, that's just average. That's, you know, it's not going to happen all the time, but yeah, price targets on the dollar 106.74, 108.05. So if you guys trade Forex, I'd be looking for a pullback to get strong on the dollar, or I'd be looking for a pullback to get long on the dollar. But yeah, wow. What a drop. USD. All right. Let's see what these setups do. AMD. Yeah, I already found the numbers. Chevron. Again, we're going to do our best to find the setups. Or we just don't trade today. I'm completely content with that. Facebook held yesterday's low. Very nice. $194. Okay, so I still like the Facebook setup. So we're going to keep that. Microsoft. I still like that too. Again, if the market can reverse and come back up and crack 273.73, I'd be pretty interested. However, if it dumps, 265 isn't a bad level. Microsoft like Nvidia. Nvidia broke the level. No. Boo. We'll come back to Nvidia. I didn't want that to break though. Actually, I like that bear flag. Tesla still squeezing. Might just have to trade SPY and QQQ today. Apple broke the level, bouncing off yesterday's low. Apple like. That coin short doesn't look too bad. 55 puts have a lot of liquidity. Like SQ. At 82.72 is very strong. Maybe 80.39. That's not a bad short as well. Oh yeah, it's puking. I think he spoke yesterday. Does he talk today? Let's see. Economic calendar. If he does speak, I don't know about it. Today is Wednesday. We got the Fed budget at 2. Alrighty. Well, this should be fun. Yeah, I got support 396.65. After that, we have that trend line at like 394.31. Below there, I still got that weekly support at 390.71. That Bristol Myers still surprisingly looks fantastic. The data said we're effed if you don't click that like button. Data said if you click that like button, the market will go back up. 165 people in here and 115. It said if we do hit 150 likes, we will go up today. So the ball is in your court. If you did not click the like button, I'll find out who you are and drop your name in the chat. That way everybody can tell you to click it. But yeah, this is it's gonna be something. Today's going to be weird. SQ's breaking the level. I mean, if the market continues to puke 80.39, I'd be interested in, but yikes. Did Uncle put his levels out yet? Yep. Let's put those in. While we're sitting here waiting to see what the market does. Let's see, 4,200, 4,100, 40.67.91, 40.50. $40.09, 4,000, 39, 58.17, and then 39.52. I don't even want to open my long-term portfolio today. Somebody on Twitter asked me yesterday, I'm curious how your long-term portfolio is doing. I didn't know if they were trying to be like a DICK, but I told them and they never answered. Negative 21% this year. $320, $310. $308.55. 305. 303.8. 300.76. Hold on, I'll pull the chat up here in a second. I'm just copying these levels from Uncle. When I come back, we better be at 150 likes. I'll be disappointed. 298.65. It already broke below all the levels. Don't worry, I got levels. Don't you worry. 294.15. Mark these levels on your QQQ and SPY right now. I'm gonna call them in the chat. So for QQQ, 294.15. That is your monthly person's pivot support. You want to know about that. Below there, 289.7. It's going to be your weekly person's pivot support. Below there. Actually, you also want to know about 295.25. 291.84 is going to be your daily person's pivot support. And then below there, 283.84. You want to know about that. As far as SPY is sitting on the monthly person's pivot support right now. If we crack below there, we're going to yesterday's low, 394.82. Below there, I have no support until this trend line. Oh wait, that's not even the right trend line. I have no support until 390.7. Below there, 388.74. Those are your extra levels on SPY and QQQ. Now, let's see what we can actually trade today. Now that I got my levels in. AMD. Take that off the list. Chevron. Clippity clap. All right, I'm still interested in Facebook. It does have that daily gap. Where's that at? Oh, it's basically sitting at it. Yeah, honestly, that reaction down, I feel like if a lot of people are short, they're going to take their profits, which would be smart to do and could cause a squeeze. All right, we're going to throw Facebook on the list. I like it. Watch both ways in case they pump the market. Look for the intraday setups. Alrighty, Facebook. Watching both ways. Nice 1 hour squeeze below 193.74 for puts. Price target equal 193.9, which is the daily gap entry. From there, could see. Oh wait, hold on. 192.9. From there, could see 191.15, 189.50, then gap fill. Above 200.5 for calls. Price target equal 202.11. Let's see, Savage add any new levels? No. Alright, so there's Facebook. Remember, do not be the one caught chasing puts or you're going to be the one getting squeezed. Market already dropped enough. If it's a day trade, wait for a proper entry. But again, I feel like the shorts will take profits. Or at least that's what a smart short would do if they went short yesterday. Microsoft hard maybe. VTI, SPY, and QQQ. Those are my favorites. VTI the most so. Keep our eye on Nvidia. A Tesla 1 hour squeeze is very interesting, especially if it does break below 774. I don't know, I'm a little hesitant today. Like, I don't want to put stuff out and then the market just completely reverses. Of course, coin is breaking. That was actually like one of the better setups. Whatever, we'll take that off. SQ. Yeah, if SQ violates 80.39, that's going to be huge. That's like major support. Uh, 78.14. Yeah, I would like to see what SQ does at 80.39. If market dumps, this is going with it. SQ, interested to see what happens at 80.39. If it breaks below, I will be looking for puts. Price target equal 78.14. 74.34. Yep. I would say 75 is going to be a psych number, and then 74.35. right, there's SQ. Take that off. Microsoft. I think the last two might just be SPY and QQQ. Microsoft's breaking. 265 is an important level. NVIDIA, let's see what's going on there. Kraken. Tesla. Yeah, Tesla 774.25 is going to be interesting. Come back a little closer to market open. And then Apple. Okay, that's gonna be it for now. I don't want to put these out yet. I want to wait a little closer to market open. As far as the put to call ratio, we closed at 0.93 yesterday, so not quite above that 1. However, there is still a possibility of a short squeeze if they do take their profits right in the morning. SPY's going right for that 394.82 level. But yeah, below there I don't got anything till 390. So that's what I got for you guys today. I apologize for only having 2 things, but I like Facebook and I like SQ as of now. And then before I drop this stuff in the chat, quick disclaimer: nothing talked about in this live stream is financial advice. Everything I talk about is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Option trading is very, very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment. So if you are to purchase anything discussed in this live stream, you need to make sure to do your own due diligence and apply your own risk management. Never put more into a trade than you are willing to lose. I am not responsible for any lost funds. However, if you do make money off the watch list, take a screenshot and send it to me. But I am not responsible for any lost funds. A+ setups only. And yes, I only trade options. But yeah, it's gonna be a weird day. I'm completely content with taking no trades. If there are no A+ setups, I would rather sit on the sidelines and not lose money. I got an alert from Savage. Did he add new levels? No. But yeah, trade smart, trade safe, no proper setups, no trades. Anyways, I don't know how QQQ is going to react today. We're going to have to take it minute by minute. Facebook, SQ. That's what I'm watching today. But yeah, I actually made a video like 3 months ago, 2 to 3 months ago, talking about how SPY could come down to that 380 level. Go to the monthly time frame. Thank you for the subscribe. Go to the monthly time frame. Take the pivot low to pivot high. Basic Fibonacci retracement: 0.5, 0.618, 0.382. Where's your 38.2%? Right at 380. After that, 350. A full retracement would be, you know, that would really set up for a nice rip. That's all the way down to 318. So if you guys remember that video, you can type it in the chat, because I will go find it. Same thing with QQQ. Do the same thing. Take the lows. I just made this Fibonacci retracement video. Low to high. 286. That's actually getting very close. So yeah, the next leg that I expect QQQ to find some possible support would be 286. What are we at now? Oh, we got some room. But yeah, you definitely want to know about that. High pivot low. That 1618 is at 283. So yeah, let's see what we get today. But as always, I wish everybody the best. Let's run it up. Let's make some money. No A+ setups, no trades. Let's do